everybody? Wolfgang here. Today is Thursday, November the 16th. Almost getting to the weekend. Working for the weekend. So I hope everybody had a good Thursday. I had a pretty good Thursday. Wasn't bad. Uh, work is work. I don't know. I got stories about work, but we'll do that another time. So today, spam report. Let's get to it. California's assault weapons ban has been thrown out. That's unusual for California. A federal judge has overturned California's 3-decade-old ban on assault weapons, ruling it unconstitutional and emphasizing the Second Amendment right of law-abiding citizens. The judge cited the Supreme Court's recent ruling against a New York gun control law, indicating that most restrictions on firearms should be deeply rooted in American history. California's governor and attorney general both expressed disapproval, vowing to appeal the decision. Guns and ammunition in the hands of criminals, tyrants, and terrorists are dangerous. Well, you think? Guns in the hands of law-abiding, responsible citizens are necessary, Benzit wrote. To give full life to the core right of self-defense, every law-abiding, responsible individual citizen has a constitutionally protected right to keep and bear firearms commonly owned and kept for lawful purposes. Like the Bowie knife, which was commonly carried by citizens and soldiers in the 1800s, assault weapons are dangerous but useful. But unlike the Bowie knife, the United States Supreme Court has said there's a long tradition of widespread lawful gun ownership by private individuals in this country, Benzit said. I'd like to have a good Bowie knife. California's elected representative decided almost 35 years ago that weapons of war have no place in our community. Today, Judge Benzit decided that he knows better. Public safety be damned, Newsom explained. Weapons of war have no place on California streets, said California Attorney General Rob Bonta. This has been state law in California for decades, and we will continue to fight for our authority to keep our citizens safe from firearms that cause mass casualties. Well, you know what? If you got a handgun that's got, maybe 16 rounds in it? Anyway, so in the meantime, assault weapons remain unlawful for purchase, transfer, or possession in California. The Supreme Court was clear that Bruden did not create a regulatory straitjacket for states. Once again, this district court issued a dangerous and misguided decision, and I will work vigorously to reverse it on appeal. We will not stop in an effort to protect the safety of our communities, to live without fear of becoming victims of gun violence, while at the same time respecting the Second Amendment right of law-abiding gun owners. The judge stated in his junction for 10 days, allowing the state to appeal, with the case now potentially reaching the Supreme Court. So at least sounds like there's one judge in California that believes in the right of the Second Amendment. So, assault weapons. You can have an assault weapon if you buy a freaking license for it and it costs out the butt. Your AR is not an assault weapon. You can turn it into an automatic, but that's against the law too. Your handgun, if it's got more than 10 rounds in it, hell, I can put out 10 rounds with my handgun and, boom, 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 and it's empty. Your vehicle, your car, that's an assault weapon. But this is an ongoing thing. But this was a story I wanted to share the other day, and I did what I did yesterday. I've got a few of them saved. Um, but yeah, this ongoing, and it's a conflict with our government and gun owners. It's the Second Amendment. It is our right. And there's a lot of people out there, well, no, no, no. No, it's our right. It's in the Constitution. Our right to bear arms. I'm allowed to protect myself. I'm allowed to protect my wife. I'm allowed to protect my cat. Or cats. We got two. Anyway, this is Wolfang. I hope everybody has a great Thursday. Blessed be. Stay safe. And keep your firearms. Keep your powder dry. I'll chat with you all later. Bye.